Dengar podcast sama Huria.
Hai guys, long time no see. Kita tuh udah lama banget nggak recording podcast episode baru. Rencananya waktu itu mau ngisi dongeng selama bulan puasa, ternyata hanya wacana. Maafkan kami ya. Apa kabar sih kalian? Udah tambah pinter belum? Hafalan suratnya udah nambah belum? Udah mau naik kelas ya? Huria juga mau naik kelas kan ya? Mau naik kelas berapa?
2.
Oh, kelas 2. Jadi membacanya sudah makin hebat dong ya? Ya udah, sekarang yang mau baca Huria apa ibu nih?
Apa tuh namanya? Little Bear's Big Adventure.
Cerita dulu, buku ini tuh kamu dapatnya dari mana, bukunya kayak gimana gitu?
Oh, ini aku dapatnya minjem dari perpustakaan sama terus
kenapa Huria minjem buku ini?
soalnya ibu suruh, kan ibu dibilangin sama ibu guru kalau boleh minjem buku, terus buat podcast ibu pengen bilangnya Huria ambil yang buku story ya, cerita gitu.
Iyalah ya, daripada kita beli buku terus mending kita minjem aja di perpustakaan sekolah. Oke, kita mulai baca dongeng kita malam ini. Apa judulnya, Hur?
Little Bear's Big Adventure.
Ini buku terbitan Hippo Magic yang ada 3D-nya. Little Hippo Books. Jadi ini buku 3D, jadi bisa di-scan pakai handphone, ada gambarnya muncul gitu ya. Ya, mulai Hur.
Kok kamu? Ibu yang Mommy Bear.
Okay. What shall we do today, little bear? Asked Mommy Bear. Little Bear peeked out of their shady cave at the hot sun.
Can we stay here where it's lovely and cool?
He asked. If we do that, we will have nothing to eat, said Mommy Bear.
But I have an idea. Shall we go somewhere as cool as cave where that's a lot of food we can catch and pick?
Jadi ini ibu beruang dan anak beruang lagi bingung mau ngapain ya kita hari ini gitu. Terus anak beruangnya ngintip keluar. Oh, kita di sini aja Bu. Di sini lebih nyaman gitu. Tapi kata ibunya kalau kita tetap di sini kita nggak bisa dapat makanan. Terus kata anaknya, aku punya ide. Kita bisa nggak ya keluar ke tempat yang sama sejuknya seperti di dalam gua ini, karena di luar tuh panas. Nah, tapi kita cari tempatnya yang adem terus banyak makanannya gitu, idenya anak beruang. Terus anak beruangnya ngomong lagi nih. Little Bear jumped up and down.
Where is it? What will we catch? What will we pick?
He asked. It's a surprise, laughed Mommy Bear. But here's a clue. What is your favorite dessert?
Strawberries!
Yum! Let's go! At first, Little Bear skipped along happily. But as the day got hotter, Little Bear became tired and grumpy.
This isn't very cool,
complained Little Bear as Mommy Bear stopped on a high, rocky ledge in the sun. Hush, come and look. Here is your surprise, said Mommy Bear. Little Bear climbed up beside her and looked down. Shining out of the forest like a silver moon in a deep green sky was a beautiful, cool pool.
Hooray!
Yelled Little Bear. They followed a stream which bubbled from the rocks, splashing into rainbows as it tumbled down, down, down. Jadi mereka mengikuti arus yang berbuih gitu ya, dari batu-batu, muncrat-muncrat airnya, terus ada pelangi gitu. As it tumbled down, 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 and into the pool. The water was icy, fresh, and delicious, and Little Bear loved it. First, we'll have a little rest, said Mommy Bear. Then, I'll teach you to fish, and we'll pick our strawberries, and soon
we'll have a perfect picnic,
shouted Little Bear. Little Bear snuggled up with Mommy Bear in the mossy shade, but he was too excited to nap.
I'll surprise Mommy,
he thought.
I'll make the perfect picnic myself. Strawberries first,
he said, for he knew the little nooks where wild strawberries loved to grow. When he had enough for 2 hungry bears, he arranged them carefully on a leaf.
Now I must catch a fish,
said Little Bear. He looked at the trembling stream, and he looked at the quiet pool.
If I were a fish,
he thought,
I'd hide in the cool pool.
Little Bear peered into the still, deep water. At first he saw nothing, then did something move in the shadows.
Flick, flick.
A flash of silver darted by.
Flick.
Little Bear stretched out to grab the fish, and as he did, he saw a reflection in the water. Something huge and dark and hungry was reaching out to grab him.
Splash!
Little Bear lost his balance and toppled into the pool. Down, down, down. He sank. Dia tenggelam. The huge dark creature jumped in after him. Little Bear struggled to escape, but strong hairy arms grabbed at him, caught him, held him tight, and pulled him from the pool. Little Bear wriggled free and saw
Mommy Bear!
Ternyata bayangan itu adalah bayangan ibunya.
Mommy!
He cried.
Where is the big hairy, scary thing that grabbed me?
I am the big hairy scary thing, she laughed.
I only wanted to make you a wake-up surprise,
said Little Bear. That was a kind idea, smiled Mommy Bear. But surprises are tricky. You must be careful or nasty surprises get mixed up with the nice ones. Mommy Bear gave him a big soggy hug and found there was one more surprise for them both. Terus surprise-nya apa, Hur? Gak ada ya?
Ya, peluk.
Oh, peluk ya. I love you. Nah, itu dia guys, dongeng kita malam ini. Sebenarnya kita tuh katanya Spotify podcast sekarang katanya bisa video ya. Tapi aku nggak tahu caranya, atau mesti ada syarat apakah akunnya gitu biar bisa podcast video. Kalau ini bisa video padahal bagus nih. Jadi bisa ada gambarnya, bukunya muncul 3D gitu, teman-teman. Ya udah, mending kalian beli aja bukunya, cari di online, ini banyak kok terbitan apa namanya, Hur? Terbitannya apa?
Terbitan Hippos Book.
Little Hippo Books. Oke, sampai jumpa di dongeng untuk Huria berikutnya yang entah kapan, tergantung mood. Dengerin terus dongeng untuk Huria ya guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.